Go.
Okay, ready? So we're gonna start with quinoa. How hungry are you?
It's red quinoa.
Is that good?
Making
Then
this for
next
me.
we're gonna do the chicken replacement. It is cauliflower seasoned with shawarma seasoning, okay? So it's like chicken.
That's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, then we're gonna do our roasted, they're crunchy, little garbanzo
Yep,
beans.
that's
Okay, then you move down here to the tomato, cucumber, onion, chopped mint, and parsley salad. Let me give you a couple more tomatoes. Then you're gonna top it off with the homemade tahini
A
sauce,
little bit.
There's avocado.
which is a replacement for sour
Just
cream.
a little bit.
Okay. Is that good?
Sure.
And then you can always grab more.
And then I'll avocado too.
Yeah?
Salt and pepper.
Yep, and some salt and pepper, and you have yourself a Buddha bowl.
I know.
Buddha bowl, Buddha bowl!